so today we are going to do some of our set 2 sounds, and we're going to start with the first one in the cycle. But first of all, we need to make sure that we remember our set 1 sounds. So all of the cards are here. Let's go through them. So this one is This one is ah. This one is s. This one is d. This one is t. I. N. P. G. O. K. K. A. B. E. U. Sh. R. J. V. Y. W. N. N. K. Z. Ch. 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 Qua. X. Okay, well done. Tomorrow we will go through those sounds a lot quicker because we already know them. But today, let's look at our first set 2 sound. So, set 2 is a bit funny. There's 2 letters making 1 sound. So this is called a digraph. And a digraph is when 2 letters make 1 sound. So the letter A and the letter Y makes the A sound. So I'll point to me when it's my turn. I'll point to you when it's your turn. So A, A, A. A, A, A. A, A, A. And the rhyme that goes with A is may I play. So I'll point to me when it's my turn. I'll point to you when it's your turn. A, may I play? A, may I play? Okay, brilliant, well done. What's the sound again? That's right, it's A. And what's the rhyme? That's right, it's may I play. So, if I show you this side, I like A, and if I show you this side, I would like may I play. So I'm going to hide it behind my back. Which side's going to come out first? May I play? May I play? A. One more time. A. Well done. So our sound that we are learning today is A. Well done. So let's see, how do we write this word? Oh, this sound, sorry, not the word. So how do we write this sound? So we've got 2 letters again because it's a digraph. So we've got the A and we've got the Y. And we're going to be very, very sensible today, and we are going to actually join our letters together. So we will go, up we go, all the way around the apple, and then keep your pen on the paper, and you will go up the yak space, and then down around. Okay? So let's do that all together. Get your magic fingers out so you can join in with me. We'll go up we go, all the way around the apple. Keep your pencils on the page, and then go up and around the yak space, and down and curl. Okay, can you see if you can write that yourself? It's really important that we practice joining those letters together. And if you notice, as I'm writing, my pen does not come off the board. Who can remember what this sound is? A. Well done. The sound is A. And who can remember what the rhyme is? Well done. It's May I Play. So, let's get our Freddy fingers out. Are they ready? Freddy's watching. Okay, we're going to start with the first one. So I'll pop that in here. Need to look at our sound buttons because there's always a dot underneath a letter making one sound and a line underneath any two or more letters making one sound. So let's start with this one with our Freddy fingers out. D, A, day. Let's do that together. D, A, day. And your turn to do it on your own. Day. Well done. Let's look at the next one. What? A, way. Your turn with me. What? A, way. And your turn to do it on your own. Way. Well done. Oh, this one's got lots of sounds in it. S, P, R, A. It's got lots of sounds, so I might just Fred talk it again. S, P, R, A. Spray. Well done. Make sure you get that spr in there. Let's do it again together. A. Spray. Brilliant. Your turn to do it on your own. Spray. Well done. Okay. And what about this one? A. Play. Do it with me. A. Play. And your turn to do it on your own. Play. Well done. So we've got 4 words there. We've also got a few more that we could do, but we're going to stick with these 4 words here for now. So this time, instead of using our Freddy fingers, sorry Freddy, we're going to nod the sounds out instead. So as I hold up the card, I will point to the sounds. As I point, you nod the sound. When I push the card forward, you say the word out loud. So you nod in your head, push it forward, say the word out loud. So let's practice that with this one. Off we go. Way. Well done. Remember, so you nod in your head, and when I push it forward, that's when you say the whole word. Day. Well done. Play. Well done. Spray. You're doing so well. Now I'm going to add in these 2 extra green words and I'm going to mix them around. And this time we're going to try and say the words as quickly as we can. So I'll say the word and then you say the word after me. So we've got may, play, day, way, spray, say. Let's do that again. May, keep dropping it. May, play, day, way, spray, say. Brilliant. And now this time, I'm going to mix them up. And I'm going to show you the side without the sound buttons. And I want you to challenge yourself to see how quickly you can read these words. Can you keep up with me? If you can't, don't worry. Rewind the video and keep practicing until you can. Are you ready? Let's go. Brilliant. Give yourselves a pat on the back, because even if you didn't get all the words, at least you tried. Well done. Okay, so now that we've done those green words and we've done lots of reading, we can now think about writing the green words. So, let's think. The word that I'd like us to write is May. And how are we going to Fred talk May? May. M-A. May. So let's write May. So we would need M-A. May. And if we were to put our sound buttons underneath, what would we need underneath You're right, we would need a dot. Because it is one letter making one sound. What would we need underneath A? That's right, we would need a line, because it is two letters making one sound. Brilliant, well done. We're going to write one more word today, and the word today is play. You try and Fred talk that word yourself. Play. Have you had a chance? Brilliant. Let's see if we can write it together. You can tick or fix it. Play. Play. Give yourself a tick if you got that right, or fix it if you need to. And now see if you can write your sound buttons underneath. Off you go. So we would need a dot underneath the P, a dot underneath the U, and a line underneath the A. Give yourself a tick or fix it if you need to. And well done today. The sound that we have been doing is this one. What's the sound? Well done, it's A, and what's the rhyme? Well done, it's May I Play. Give yourselves a pat on the back, and we'll see you soon.